Hi guys, so for this video it's going to be my drugstore favorite, so please enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. So first I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. mist and set. I use this to wet my eyeshadows, and I also use it to set my face. It gives a really nice dewy look, not too dewy, but it gives a really nice dewy-esque look, and I love it for that. Do you see that? Yes honey, but I love it especially for wetting my eyeshadow. So e.l.f. mist and set, and of course my LA color pro conceal in Fawn. I just recently picked up this one and I'm in love with it all over again. I don't know why I stopped using it. I started using Rich Caramel and I love Rich Caramel because it's a cream, but this a little goes a long way. But as I just got it and look, it's almost over, so I don't know, I got issues, girl. I got issues. Next is my Mary Kay Bronze 5 powder foundation. I've been using this to set my all over face. I use my Ben Nye to set my highlighted areas, and I use my Bronze 5 to set everywhere else, and I love it. I love the finish it gives. I love the coverage. It smooths out the skin. As you can see, it makes the skin look really nice and velvety. I love my Bronze 5. Next, of course, my Black Opal in Carob. I'm in the color Carob, and this is what I have on the I have on now. I have these two on, my Bronze 5 and my Carob, and I love it. It's full coverage, it's a cream, and you get more product in the stick, which is this one, than you do. Oh, look, finish. You get more product in the cream than you do with the pan, because you have the pan form and then you have the stick form, not cream, the pan. So you have the pan form and you have the stick form. You get way more product in the stick form than you do with the pan form. So of course Black Opal Carob, of course, obviously. Then my Mary Kay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. Love this mascara even when I'm not wearing lashes, which to be honest is very rare. I'm always in lashes now, but I use this to prep my lashes, and I also use it to put on my bottom lashes, and I'm wearing this on my cluster lashes today. And yes, I do have a tutorial on how I do my cluster lashes, and I'll leave that for you guys in the description bar below. Alright, next to highlight when I'm not using my Fawn, I'm of course using my Black Opal Toast. I call it the lipstick concealer, which I'm sure that's not what it's called. Let me tell you what it's called. It's just called Black Opal Toast Flawless Concealer. That's what it's called, a flawless concealer, but I call it the lipstick concealer because it looks like a lipstick, but it's actually a concealer. So yeah, I'm using this when I have not been using my Fawn and my Rich Caramel. So I use three things to highlight. I use the Fawn to highlight under here. I use the Rich Caramel highlight here, and Toast to highlight here. But not just under here, like everywhere where I put my highlight, down the center of my nose, forehead, chin, and also right here for my cheekbones to be all popping and stuff. So yeah. And now we're going to move on to everything that I'm wearing on my face. So for my glow, I'm using my Glam from the LA Girl Blush palette, and you guys know how long I've had this. It's pretty beat up. It is pretty beat up, but this is what I'm wearing for my glow. I love this so much, and I found a technique where it's giving me the glow that I want, because first time it didn't used to do that. It used to leave my face looking ashy, and I'm like, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not glowing like the other girls? But I figured out how to use this, and I love it. And not only do I use the glow, I use everything else for eyeshadow. So this is on my crease now, this is on my lid, and I haven't even used this today, but these are what I use for the pinks that you're seeing, like the hints of pinks that you see on my eyes. I use these two to achieve those hints of pinks. Then something I picked up pretty recently is the LA Colors I Love Makeup Drama Eye Palette. And I think this palette is called Drama Eyes. Now, whenever you're choosing a drugstore makeup, this is what I did. I looked at the colors and I could tell, oh yeah, there's going to be some really good colors because of the iridescence in them. They're kind of shimmering. So I chose it because of that, and it has two blacks. I mean, you know, can't go wrong with two blacks, you know what I'm saying, you know, because we use the blacks so often. So to have two black in a palette, that was kind of smart. Good job, LA Colors. I'm wearing this on my eyes. I'm wearing this color purple in my crease, and these two black as well for the definition. I love this, and I'm wearing this color here for my brow bone. I've been wearing it for my brow bone for a minute now, and I love it so much. So the next thing I want to show you guys, again I picked up recently, is this LA Colors. It's called Day to Night. This is what it looks like, and these are the colors. And let me just say, I'm in love with this color right here, this rose gold. I'm wearing it on my lid, and I misted it with my e.l.f. mist and set. I got it wet, so I put it on my lid so the color can be a bit more pigmented. It comes out stronger, more vibrant, and it moves easier. I love this. Is definitely my favorite color. I'm so in love with rose gold eyeshadows now, you guys. It is redonkulous. So Day to Night LA Color, definitely. And last but not least, on my lips, I am wearing LA Colors Smooth Plum. Let me tell you something. Let me just say this right now. Yes. I use this to line my lips every chance I get. I love this lip liner. It is amazing. It is beautiful. It is wonderful. This is it. Smooth Plum by LA Colors. And on my lips, I'm wearing Pink Princess Cosmetics, and I'm wearing Faith is definitely my favorite one out of all the ones that I had gotten from Pink Princess Cosmetics, because it's a nude. It's like a pinky nude, and you guys know I have a love relationship with pink lipsticks. So this is, yes, and because of my eye look today, my eyes are extremely dramatic. I mean, ombre brows, smoky eyes, so you know, I figured going a little bit lighter on the lips would do. I mean, knowing me, I'd do like a teal on my lips, I don't care, but I really love how this look complemented, because it's like pink hues, pink on my lips, a little bit on my eyes, and of course my brows. So definitely Faith. I love this lipstick so much. I'm trying very hard not to wear it often, but it's difficult. It's difficult. And all Pink Princess lipsticks smell really nice. They remind me of the MAC lipsticks because they have that nice smell. So yeah, very smooth. It's matte, but in the middle of the day you can still do and get movement from it. You know, with a lot of matte lipsticks you can't do anything with it and get movement from it, you know. So I'm really glad that this still has some movement to it. Everything that I showed you, I got them at Fontana Pharmacy. Fontana Pharmacy is definitely the one-stop shop, you guys. I mean, I showed you all makeup just now, but they definitely have more things. They have fragrances, they have appliances, sheets, curtains, teddy bears, diapers, wipes, almond milk. They have everything. It's definitely a one-stop shop. All right, so that's what I want to show you guys. I've never done a video like this before, so this is going to be my to make it a bit more international, this video will of course be my drugstore favorites, but everything can be found at Fontana Pharmacy. It's also my Fontana Pharmacy favorites as well. And this is what I have here at my grandmother's house. I have more stuff at my house, so I probably have to go over there and grab some stuff and then do a part 2 to this video, or not just a part 2. I can just probably just do another one, right? Yeah, so that's basically it for this video, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in the next one.